Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice piece of live edge wood that we're going to turn into a whole bunch of Arizona signs. So follow along, subscribe as we do many Arizona signs out of this, and we'll give you details in depth. Alright, so our first step was to create a template of the state of Arizona that would fit on here almost perfect. So what we're going to do is just start at one end, draw out as many as we can to fit this entire board, and then we can start cutting it out. So let's start there. Okay, so we've got 9 prints of it on here. I'll show it to you kind of upside down. I don't know if that's picking up. Maybe we'll get a close-up of it. But I got them back to back next to each other, which will make it a lot easier for us to skill saw out, so we can just draw the straight or cut the straight line down, and then we can work our magic on the other end here. So next, get our skill saw out. Make sure it's got a new blade, so this cuts nice and easy. And then we can go from there to the next step, which would be sanding. So let's get them cut first. Alright, we've got our skill saw, got a new blade on it, and my safety glasses. So to make this project easy on myself and you guys, if you're doing a bunch of them, is since I put them back to back, I can pretty much cut these up nice and easy for us. So I'm going to just cut straight lines down the middle of all of these, cut them into 9 individual ones, and then I can start really cleaning them up from there. So let's begin. Alright, now that we've skill sawed everything out, we're going to clean up all of our lines, make everything nice and smooth. Just go over all of it with 80 grit paper. Now we're fortunate enough here that we have a machine that's going to do our 80 grit, and then we can go to a hand sander and do the 100 and 120, 150 grit. So since we're lucky, we're going to start with this, using the top, belt sander, and our disc for some of the parts. And we've got 9 of them to do, so let's get started. have them cut out, and then we used 80 grit on our machine, got it down to looking like this. Now what we're going to use is our hand sander at 100 grit, and then we'll go to 120 grit, and that's as far as we're going to go with these. Once we're done with the paper on the flat areas, I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to start working the inside of these grooves to smooth those out. So that'll be the fun part. So I kind of like it still rough like this, so we're just going to do a nice smooth sand on it and then move forward from there. Alright, all of the hard work is done. Now the reward is here. So what we've got is our stains, our butcher block, mineral oil, and we've got some colorful stains in the back here. We're going to try a different stain. A couple of them we're going to do 2-2 and try to see what they come out looking like. So we've got dark walnut, special walnut, driftwood, we've got a butcher block, we've got temperance, which looks like it's a Tiffany blue or a shade of that, and then we've got a black magic, which is going to be more like an espresso. We've also got a pair of gloves for each set here, a rag, and our cap opener. So let's start at one end and work our way all the way around. Alright, with these back two, I'm going to scuff them up. This one I've already done to kind of give you an example. We'll do more to this one. More of a vintage look. Kind of like how it turned out. So these ones we'll do this way. Which is with just 100 grit sandpaper. Start sanding side to side. Alright, we're going to put a clear matte spray wax on it. Just going to hit it, wipe it off, and work our way around. And we're done. Alright, here are all the examples of the state of Arizona, the wood signs that we've made. All of them have their own unique look to them, and I like that. So we'll put them up for sale, see how other people like them. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're always looking for comments and those thumbs up. Until next time.